Normally I'm a very active person, and ended up probably about a month and a half ago of having some major hip and back issues, which sent me a trip to the doctor. The doctor ended up giving me an injection and some pain medicine, and was on that regime for a while. It really was no better, and I would have increased pain even getting up out of a chair, sleeping, and walking. So I decided that I wanted to try an alternative approach to pain management. I had gotten a friend of mine an Emerge signature massage for Christmas, a gift certificate, and I still had the brochure. And one of the brochures caught my eye, and I thought, well, I'll try it. And it was the signature massage that is meant to rejuvenate, realign, and relax and release your muscles. So I thought it would be a good place to start. So I made an appointment, came in, and not having any massage experience at all, Laura Lee met me with a very warm smile and explained everything to me. She sat and listened to what my problem areas were, and she actually targeted and tailor-made my massage to pinpoint the areas that I was having issues with. She started out relaxing a stomach muscle, which was directly related to the pain in my back. You could notice an immediate release when she did this. And from that point on, every massage started out with releasing that stomach muscle. And soon, you know, my sleep, my mobility patterns all improved with this massage therapy. My muscles in my back, my hip had all realigned themselves just as the brochure had stated. So I plan on coming back monthly and look forward to this as an alternative pain management option for us. So I'm pretty happy to have found Emerge.